Hi guys and welcome back to the most exciting dashcam channel. Everything you wish for, we got it right here. Close calls, road rage, crashes, karma moments and many more. This episode is going to be a mix of everything, so make sure to sit back and enjoy. Let's start. In this video, you'll see daily situations this camera encounters while driving. All sorts of crazy drivers are out there and it's up to us to be as much as careful as we can.
Can you imagine what the Rocky atmosphere? Can you imagine what the Rocky coaching staff is saying? Could you believe we beat these? Can you believe our guys beat these guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Here's a young lady who will join us for our final radio show on CBS FM. She used to be on this show.
You were about to hurl out the window at the guy. Your perception would have returned to normal. You would have relaxed, you would have been on your way. You probably...
A couple of hours and said that he, because the last rant he wrote was against the CEO of the World Cup.
Yeah.
And he had worn a rainbow T-shirt there in support of his brother, who's gay.
That's right.
And he thinks that they targeted him.
No, she can't notice. You notice. Stop noticing.
We have to pretend a woman. It's very important that we all protect that ain't gonna
Drag John Fetterman over to the finish line. That is not a thing that is likely to happen.
Running a red light can come with horrible consequences and drivers don't think it through until it's already too late.
Boyfriend, he said exactly who he was.
This crazy driver cut across the entire road and he was inches away from hitting the camera. and all because he felt the need to take the last second exit.
How this happened?
So you can take a big ass cut, what, 40, 60?
Oh,
Break, we're gonna hit. Yeah. That's right. Just go right on around. We just skip the light for free. Just go. It's fine. They'll understand. It's like an emergency. We're fine. Anyhow, so
Did he just eat that light?
Video protected.
Fiat driver was really impatient in this situation. Being stuck behind other cars in traffic was something he couldn't handle. With this clip we conclude another epic episode on Caayydenn DashCam channel. I hope you enjoy watching and learning from all the mistakes you saw. Make sure to leave a like because that would really mean a lot to me. Also, while you're at it, subscribe to my channel as well. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.